Hi, welcome to Jack TV. To all my viewers out there that are watching me, that are listening to me out there, I'd like to thank you for taking your time for watching me. While I'm sharing what's going on through my life, when Jesus called me, the things that I was going through. You know? I'm going through so much at that period of time. Things start to get, because it's a working process. But the first time things was going through me, I was going through so much. It's like going from the bad side to getting the good side. I mean, you're going through something, the devil think he can keep you in captivity, and I'm getting out of that place, Like Jesus called me to do his work, and I'm getting out of there. But there was a fight. But I'm praying every day, say, Jesus help me, Jesus protect me, give me the strength that I need, and the courage that I need in order for me to move forward, to do the work that you put me in to do. For those who don't know me, my name is Jack Laguerre. I'm from Haiti. If you hear me, you might hear me having an accent, but I'm sure you understand everything that I will be saying, because I've been in this country for quite some time, for almost 17 years. When Jesus called me and talked to me, but around that time, it was around 2006. It was 2006. Things at that period of time, I was looking at, 2006. It will be 10 years of me almost being in the country. Not actually 10 years. I'm talking about I came here since 1993. 2003 make me 10 years, 13 years in the country. Did I say that right? Yeah, if I do the math right. Well, it was 2006 when I get the call from Jesus. When Jesus called me to walk with me. It was tough on me, guys. It was not easy. I was always praying. It's like, what can I do in order for me to change things around the world, to make other people that I see that live in, to make change around the world, to make other people living a better life. Since my father was in that footstep to doing his work, to help the people that he in his own town in Haiti. But if you listen to previous of my video, you could see where I'm coming from, the background where I'm coming from. It was not a background where I was coming from a background where I come from a background, a family was doing voodoo and all that type of thing. But Jesus called me, Jesus captured me. You see something, at that time, since my mom usually praying, and all that type of thing. And praying with us, telling us, say, Jesus is the one, and all that time. Since that day, when I came to this country, even though, there was a time when I was, if you listen to my previous video, there was a time when I was sleeping, and all of a sudden it seemed like I was dying or something. All of a sudden I say Jesus, and I start to feel this strength coming inside of my body. I start to wake up, and get up, and I put my knees down, and I start to pray in Jesus, and I go to the bathroom, and I start to pray, and to get the thing to you guys, because Jesus calling me to do the work, to walk with me, because I asked you just to use me. Jesus used me to do the work, but at that time, guys, it was not easy on me. Because there was, you're talking about the fighting the devil, all that type of thing, say for you to get out of that thing that I see, guys, incredible. There's so many images that I see, so many things that I see. I never thought of those. I never thought of those images, because I asked just to make me see things more clearly. You know, I don't want to say anything to scare nobody, man. I see so many things, guys. It was not easy on me. There was time I get to a place I'm like, wow. You know? I mean, the people that I see myself in Haiti, you know, it's like, you know, telling those people to doing good or to this is not the thing. I mean, Jesus is there. Take Jesus in your life and all that type of thing. You know, I'm seeing myself in places praying with people, try to take these curses on those people, so they can have a better future. You know, these children, so these children don't raise in that type of thing, in that type of environment, to be in that position, to give those children a better life. Since my father was doing that movement in Haiti, so I say, okay, now it's my time, because since he's passed away now, what can we do? The family have to embrace that movement. Since my brother is a pastor, he's out there in Haiti doing his work also. There was a group of people, a missionary group of people in Boston that are going with him in Haiti, in Marmelade. I'm praying for those kids in Haiti, not just these kids in Haiti, because when Jesus chose me at that period of time, it's like he put me in a position. It's like, Jack, you've been called for a big mission now. I was in a big mission, not just Haiti. I see myself in Africa. I see myself in Iraq. I see myself in India. I see myself in so many different places. In China. I'm like, I've never been there. I'm like, what's going on? It's like I was calling for a big one. This is not a small call. Not just for Haiti we're talking about. Guys, I'm out there. It's like I'm on those dreams, on those visions. Like every time I put myself on the bed, all of a sudden, you know, I see myself flying all those places. And I'm asking every time I'm there, because the stuff is so strong. I mean, the thing that I'm going through, I'm asking Jesus to keep me strong, keep me protected. Watch me, guide me, protect me, all those stuff. Give me the strength that I need. In order for me to do the right thing. Give me the strength, Jesus. Protect me. All this stuff, I'm asking Jesus to protect me. Oh man, it was so much things that I see. You know, at that time, man, I'm like, man, wow. You know, there's so much to share with you guys. If I'm sitting with you guys, I will spend the whole days, hours and hours in talking for what I've been going through, because this has been happening since 2006 until now. I've been dreaming since 2006 to 2010, 4 years straight up. Every single night I'm dreaming. I'm seeing vision that I'm walking. I'm going through places, you know, to try to make things a better place, a better thing. Jesus called me to walk, to put me on a mission. Stay tuned. I will share more with you when Jesus calls me.